Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can change the second in the CapCut PC. So here, I've already opened the CapCut on my PC and I'm going to just import or add a video first to my track in here. Okay, so to change the frame rate, you need to first not click on the video. So I'm going to just click on the timeline in here, and then the details panel here will show up, and you can see now the current frame rate is 30. And if you want to change it, you can just click on modify in here, and here you'll see the project settings, and to change the frame rate you just need to click on the frame rate drop down in here, and there will be 5 options that you can choose. For example, I want to change the frame rate into 60. Just click on that option, and after that click on save. So on the details in here, the frame rate will be changed to the one you choose. And when you export your project, you can also change the frame rate in here. There will be the same option, so you can just click on the drop down and change it into 60 like the one you did before. After that, you can just click on export. Okay, so everyone, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.